Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you how you can add hyperlinks to emails and messages you sent in your Google Groups. So let us get started. So guys, head over to Google Groups, navigate to the given group or click into new conversation here. I will go with this group here, and then in the overview we'll see this option, start a conversation. So guys, here in the window on the right hand side, like on Gmail for example, you will see the drafted message. You can change the subject here, the sender address, and here below enter your text. So let me go with, I don't know, for example, a Google group or group number 1 or something like that. Highlight the text, then click into hyperlink here just below or amongst these text formatting options, insert link, and then enter the link here, like, I don't know, google.com for the sake of this tutorial, click into OK. And that is going to insert the hyperlink, so the color of the font will change to that bluish here, indicating that that's hyperlink text. You will see the linked site below when you hover your mouse over the text, so that you may edit the link here or remove it. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.